cut. Normal mode. Landing flat.
Right to left. Huh? Yeah. Left to right, sorry. There's barely any wind, but it is coming out of the west. Uh-oh, sounds like I need to oil them wheels. Now we can fly like crazy people because nobody's out.
Timer cleared.
You good?
Flaps up. Gear up.
Uh-oh. Speed's on. I moved the battery back even further and it is super happy. It's super happy. Whoa. The gyro it wouldn't let me turn. And then it jumped. What the hell is that?
Something is loose. I've never had that happen. Wings out. And slow it down a little bit.
That looks really cool with the clouds like that. That doesn't make sense. Shouldn't be that low. I think.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Huh? You didn't put a dead battery in, did you?
I don't think I did.
It would still be barking at you if you did.
Yeah, that's true.
30 seconds.
I was balls.
Were you flying hard?
I was flying pretty hard.
Like full speed?
Those 3 circles.
10, 9, 8,
Those
7,
3 circles
6,
were just full
5,
out.
4, 3.
Oh, you left it. It still shouldn't matter though,
Time expired.
because that's a huge pack. Because they're in parallel. 22.3 on the ground. Yeah, you put a dead pack in.
Because I realized my telemetry wasn't on.
Yeah.
I put the knob up.
Yeah, you put a used pack.
It was a dead pack. I'm gonna go change it.
You have the.
Yeah, because I thought I had 2 sets of batteries.
Oh. Look at this thing now. It's like an arrow.
Huh?
Look at this thing now. It's like an arrow.
Dude,
Wherever you point it.
Yeah, dude.
See, I mean,
Make me miss my Mig.
my fast passes down the runway. Look at this.
Yeah, it's straight, and especially on the weather.
Yeah. See that? It wouldn't do that before. It would wiggle a little bit. And I got to come in right now. This pack's probably almost dead.
Gear down.
But the thing that always gets me the most is the landing.
Yeah, you can hold it nice now, huh?
Landing flaps.
Because it doesn't wiggle. Because it
No wiggle
right
wiggle.
here it used to wiggle. See, now it just stays. See, look at that.
Oh, carrier landing. Nice.
That was like no effort.
Carrier landing, baby.
Flaps up.
This one's done for the day.
Yeah.
Pull it
Maybe
apart.
F-14's done too. I think I'm in the mood for hot zone right
Yep. I got another pack for it. Actually, I got 2 packs for it.
now. For this guy?
For the Hawk.
Yeah. 2 packs. I think maybe 1 or 2.
But I'm super happy. So I know that if I put this same thing in the F-15, it's going to be even better.
Oh yeah, probably.
Because it's good now.